In this video, we will cover how to make sure you are receiving all the required app and computer updates via a VPN connection. To do so, you'll have to go to your closest U46 building or your assigned building and connect to the Wi-Fi. Once you get to your school, make sure you are close enough to the building to connect to the U46 DoD Wi-Fi network. If you've changed your password since the last time you've been at your building, log into your computer with your current email password. Once you are logged into your computer, open your Zen Launcher and click the refresh button in the lower left corner. You should now see an application called FortiClient VPN. Double-click this to start the install process. You will receive a pop-up message to notify you once it has installed successfully. You can now finish the rest of your application updates from home via the VPN connection, or you can stay at your school if you prefer. To connect to the VPN, when you are at the login screen, simply press Sign In Options and click the FortiClient icon. Then log in with your normal credentials. If you automatically log in with your face, you will not be logged into the VPN, and you will have to sign in again. To ensure you are not automatically logged in, you can angle your laptop camera away from your face, or you can keep your mask on while logging in.